Hi, today I'll be taking a look at the Renogy 12-volt, 100-watt portable solar panel. Let's start by unboxing it. I wanted to try solar power to power my laptop, phone and tablet as a bit of a fun experiment. It is well packaged with polystyrene corner pieces, and it comes with this nice hard case to keep it protected while it is not in use. The panel has a carrying handle on the side and 2 clips to keep it closed while it is packed away. On either side of the panel there are adjustable feet. These can be adjusted in height and length. I found that the feet can be used with the panel upside down as a kind of peg to embed the panel into some soil. There it is, all set up and ready to be plugged in using the included MC4 connectors. I am using 12 meters of 6mm MC4 solar cable to connect it to my GoLabs R150 power station. MC4 connectors are very easy to connect, as you can see here. It is quite a sunny day, perfect to test out the output power. Firstly, facing opposite the sun, it is making about 8 watts. At about 90 degrees from the sun, this rises to about 30 watts, and fully facing the sun, it hits the 65-watt limit of my power station. I'm very happy with this solar panel. When combined with my power station, it should effortlessly be able to power my phone, tablet and laptop with no issues. The VTubing for this video was recorded, edited and rendered entirely on the power generated from this solar panel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!